Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Paul, Mike Zero, Whiskey November uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you're catching me on 11 metres and PMR 446. So I've just tidied up the mobile install, and I've added the tablet just here for completeness to show that where it normally goes in the tablet holder with the USB hub, and I've tidied up everything down there. The phone's currently connected to that at the moment because for whatever reason Wi-Fi on Windows 10 seems to stop working. It seems to crash whenever I use APRS IS32, which is a bit annoying. So it does kind of get in the way of the stereo there, but that's not something I'm too bothered about if I'm operating mobile. So got the Thunderpole T3000 on top of the dash like that, because it's the only place I could get it. I'm just being told about club meetings that aren't happening at the moment. It's supposed to be the club night, but we have a net on. Well, it's an hour before we have that net on GB3IR. And whilst we're on the 2 metre band subject, it's the FTM400 control panel's just there. And down here is the main unit, finally fastened onto something. I have a speaker just there for it. And the data lead is connected to the back of the radio and runs into the USB hub, which then in turn runs to the tablet. So it's got ferrites on it, so I was having a little bit of RF issues with that, but I think I might have solved them just by sticking the ferrites on it. So big chunky ferrite there and a little one there. I can buy more ferrites if I need them. So the microphone holder for the Thunderpole T3000 had to be restuck back down with some Gorilla Tape, which was a little bit unfortunate, but had to be done because it kept falling off, because I think the original sticky pad just wasn't up to the job. And I've stuck down here with 2-part resin the microphone for the FTM400. So if I want to go on the 2 metre band, I can just grab that from down there. It's just tucked out the way. It's not going to get in my way when I'm pressing the clutch down. So that's not a problem at all. So that's the only drawback with this car. There's just not enough space in it for anything really, apart from people. But you know, I managed to squeeze a lot of things into one of these before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close off the APRS IS32 app because I don't need it anymore. Just before I go, there's a Bluetooth GPS receiver behind there, and then I'll need to obviously disconnect this from the tablet because I've got no choice, because it was tethered. And on the roof, my CB antenna of choice, and also 10 metres if I so choose, is the Sugru High Power 4000. You can see there's a Land Rover Discovery on the street there. That's got a mini Springer, mini Orbiter style antenna on it. I never hear them on though, don't know why. And for 2 metres and 70 sems, this antenna seems to have unscrewed itself lately. Don't know why. Somebody been unscrewing my antennas, I wonder. Don't know, because it certainly wasn't like that the other day. That's my Diamond NR770 RSP, which I got at the same time as the FTM400 from Martin Lynch and Sons. So they're both on Sugru mag mounts. The mag mount and the antenna were both bought there at the same time. This came with a Team Roadcom FS, but the cable on it was a bit ruined, so I've changed the cable for another one that also came with that. Yeah, so there you go. You can see the 2-part resin there that I was using to stick the other microphone clip on because I didn't have anything else I could stick it on with, and don't know what's behind there, so I didn't really want to put screws through it. So it's all good. And this thing will receive and pass things on to APRS IS. It won't work the other way. It won't send things to the radio. I've got a video covering that subject, and so has an American guy, Dallas Clements K7DCC. So, except he uses an older Windows 8 tablet and other things that we can't get over here. So, yeah, so better than what it was. There isn't any wires strewn in the passenger footwell like there was. I've had to remove the hands-free mic from in here that I had because that's just not not working right now. So I think I've covered everything for that. So this is just one of my quick ones. This isn't actually a fully edited video. This is just a quick one, just to show you what I've been up to today. So the last thing I need to do is get that label stuck back on the antenna, but don't know when that will be happening. So this is Paul, Mike Zero, Whiskey November uniform, or we'll start again. So rudely interrupted because someone came in on Echo Link there. So it's Paul, Mike Zero, Whiskey November uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on 11 metres, and PMR 446. 73s guys, keep yourself safe. I know things are starting to come a bit out of lockdown now, but the virus is still prominent. So obviously you just keep yourself safe and just watch out for the virus. Don't end up with it. So I hope to catch you in the next video very soon. 73s for now, guys.